Hello everyone, I am P. Alagathai, MSc MPhil, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, Sakti College of Arts and Science for Women, Ottanchadaram, Dindigul, Tamil Nadu. Today we are going to discuss about process state in operating system. A process passes from number of state during its life of state as a following types: new state, ready state, running state, wait state, termination state, suspend ready state, suspend wait state. The description of all the state as they follows. First one is new state. First state is known as a new state, is called a process of under creations. It's a ready state for the next section of new state. Then second one is ready state. When the process is created, new state comes is called a ready state. After creation, process of comes under to a ready state. In ready state, more than one process of also come. For example, one process is created at the same time. Second process is created the both process will come under the ready state. New to ready state is called a ready state for process created. Third one is running state. From ready state, we have to select a process and then have to allot CPU to that process for run. So to create allotment for the process ready state to create for running state, and another one is new to ready and another one is running state. New for ready and create for schedule properties. So process schedule to running state. So running state, only one process can stay at a time because CPU can be allotment for to the single process at a time. New to ready and running statement is a process created for new to ready, it allotment for the process created, then ready to running statement of the created to process schedule is a running state. Wait state. When a process requests for input and output, then that process will left to the running state and will join the new state of called a wait state. A wait state, more than one process can a state statement. New to ready, then ready to running, running to wait statement is new to ready created for process, ready to running create for schedule, running to create for wait statement for the request for wait statement. See, a process is running statement is through the request for input output statement, the wait statement. After completion of IO request, process will go to ready state. New to ready statement is called a process created. Process to ready created the running statement. So running request to the wait for reduce statement of the request, IO request is through the ready statement. So IO request for completed. The next process was the wait statement is including the IO request completed. But new to ready statement is complete, then running to reduce, then wait for the ready statement is one of the complete statement of the ready state. From ready state, the process of will continue the again running statement. Again IO request, the wait request, IO request completed. See, then second step, process schedule, the running request, wait statement to allotment for the completed. Termination state. When the process come in a running state, there is no more input output request by the process with again the already get completed was the termination state. So we'll go to the termination state. Is a termination for the conditional properties. The statement is allotment for the termination state. New to ready, ready to running, running to wait, then wait to ready request statement. It's one of the most completed the statement of IO request is completed. Then another one is type of running statement 2. Another type of process, say a termination process, is called a process completed through the termination process. These are the basic state in the process state of diagram. So ready state and wait state is contained for the many process. The size get increases. Then last suspend ready state. When ready state is not able to occur more states in it, then some state are the suspended in suspended state. The termination allotment with the state of the statement ready to continue of the ready statement. So will continue of the statement of suspended ready. Then again of the running statement 2. Statement wait for the IO request completed to again of the ready statement. So will be provide of the termination condition is process completed. Then again process of the completed ready statement through the suspend ready statement. Is a wait for the statement is IO request completed. Is a suspend ready of the suspended ready state. Suspend ready state will be secondary memory, not in primary memory. Such transaction is known as a resume format. So one of the most purpose of the process schedule called the termination process is a suspended ready for the request to again of the ready statement. So process time is a properly quantum. Suspend wait state. Similarly, suspend wait state is also reside in a process state diagram. Is a wait continue statement resume and then completed statement is through the suspended wait. So new to ready to running to wait statement. So request for the IO completed and then again of the wait statement is a suspended wait and then suspended ready. To both equation of the methods of ready statement of the through connection the suspend wait and suspend ready. Operations on the process. First one is creation, scheduling, execution, deletion or killing. So creation, once the process is created is into the ready queue and will be ready for the execution. Second one is scheduling. The many process present the ready queue. The process state executing, selecting the process which to the next state is known as a scheduling process. Third one is execution. Once again the process of the scheduling statement, the process start executing the process, come to the blocked or wait stage. The execution of the process start executing the another process. The last one is deletion. On the process of again the statement, operating system will the process the contents of the process PCP say deleted another process get terminated by the operating system. Thank you.